Tornado watch.
This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Hunt, Kaufman, and Rockwall. Remember, a tornado watch
Oh my God.
for the development of severe
Holy
weather, including
shit.
tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons
Oh my
should
goodness.
alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The current time is 9:56 p.m. Central Standard Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service. Station KBC 56. Starting with Dallas, Fort Worth, listening to the National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 9.
Tornado watch.
Effective until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Hunt, Kaufman, and Rockwall. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. Clear. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons
SBC issues tornado watch number 9. Oh my goodness. Wow. That came out of nowhere.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Around the region: Wichita Falls, cloudy, 65, west at 16. Abilene, cloudy.
Tornado watch number 9, baby.